Hello, we're now in Longmeadow, Massachusetts, and along Dickinson Street and Clymer Street, which are right close to each other from Springfield into the northern part of Longmeadow, there's three Jewish synagogues very close by, within 3/4 of a mile, and plus there's a Jewish community center. And we're in front of what was historically called the Sons of Jacob Synagogue, or the B'nai Jacob Synagogue. And this group here started in Springfield as the first Jewish group ever, and that was in 1891. They wanted to form their own group, and they met in stores for a while in the north end of Springfield. And finally, in 1921, they built their own synagogue on Congress Street in Springfield. And then they stayed there for a long time. But in 1963, they moved out of here into Longmeadow. And they built this synagogue for the congregation. And the community center had already moved into this area. In fact, it's close by, right to our side. 1954, the community center moved in over there, and that's grown greatly. And this synagogue did well for most of the time. In the year 2007, they decided to merge with a group. They did not merge. They sold out to a group that are three synagogues that decided to get together. In this congregation, B'nai Jacob decided that they wanted to still exist, and they merged in with the Beth El Synagogue. So as of 2007, this group really didn't exist anymore. They have a beautiful campus. You can see that the facade is very nice. You have a lot of gorgeous trees. You have a nice front to it, right? And since 2007, it's now the Congregation B'nai Torah. And what are they made up of? Well, they're made up of three former synagogue or congregation groups that used to exist in Springfield, and now they're together in Longmeadow. And those groups are Beth Israel, Kesser Israel, and Kodomo. All right, and they each have their own cemeteries, but now since they're all joined together, they are one group, but three separate cemeteries that can be used by the group together, and they'll decide which cemetery to use. All right, so it's a fine arrangement, and they're so close to the social center, right? And I've never been inside this one, but I would guess by the facade, it's quite beautiful inside. Okay, so thank you for coming here.